everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. My name is Rajni and today in this video we are going to learn the uses of would. Would can have multiple uses and we will see when to use would and in which situations. The first use of would is it can be used to make polite and humble request. For example, would you please close the door? Would you please pass me that book? क्या आप मुझे वो बुक पास करेंगे? Would you please move a bit? Would you please bring me a glass of water? Would you please speak a little loud? In order to make request, you can also use an expression would you mind. Would you mind का मतलब क्या आपको बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा? For example, would you mind turning down the volume a bit? Would you mind repeating what you just said? Would you mind picking up some fruits on your way home? Would you mind attending the meeting tomorrow morning? The next use of would is it can be used when you want to talk about the future in the past. जब आप past में future के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उस टाइम भी would यूज़ होता है. For example, I thought he would not come. मैंने सोचा वह नहीं आएगा. I thought he would come late. I didn't know you would come late. I thought you would call me. मैंने सोचा तुम मुझे कॉल करोगे. You can also use would to tell your preferences. For example, I would like to have a cup of coffee, please. When you go to a restaurant, you can use would while ordering the food. For example, I would like to order veg biryani, please. I would like to go for a walk after dinner. I would like to meet you very often. You can also form a lot of questions using this collocation. For example, what would you like to have? Would you like to have some tea? Would you like me to come along? Would you like me to talk to your parents? कई बार हम दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करते हुए अपना प्रेफरेंस बताते हैं. For example, I would rather drive than take a train. I would rather stay at home than go out tonight. I would rather walk than wait for a bus. We can use would to describe a regular activity or a habit in the past. For example, when I was a kid, I would go to Manali for my vacations. When she was at university, she would study for 3 hours every night. Would can also be used in conditionals to describe unreal situation. For example, if I had car, I would drive to my office. If I were you, I would not do this. If I had known her, I would have introduced you to her. If I had waited for you more, I would have missed my train. If you want to study conditionals more in detail, then tell me in the comment section. I will make a separate video on that. Do practice making a lot of sentences using would and use them in your daily conversation. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.